Got a cooler in the back, a map on my knee, a playlist of old songs and new memories. The sky's burning peach and the road runs wide. The only thing missing is you by my side. Let's take the county roads where the pine trees lean, past rusted out barns and fields of green. I'll trade the city noise for your sweet laugh. Let's get a little lost and never look back. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess up that pretty crown. From gravel roads to the big blue sea, don't need a plan, just you and me. We'll chase the sun till the stars agree. Come on and ride shotgun with me. We'll find a diner with a screen door squeak, split a slice of pie, maybe stay all week. We'll dance in a parking lot under string lights, two hearts beating like tires at night. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess up that pretty crown. From gravel roads to the big blue sea, don't need a plan, just you and me. We'll chase the sun till the stars agree. Come on and ride shotgun with me. No freeway lanes, no airport lines, just a full tank and borrowed time. We'll write our story in mile markers and songs, every wrong turn just where we belong. So ride shotgun with me, kick your feet on the dash, laugh like kids, let the world fly past. From river bends to hills that rise, we'll chase the day, then count fireflies. Wherever we go, whatever we see, I just want you riding shotgun with me. Headlights cut through the drifting haze, empty miles whisper in yesterday's praise. Worn out lines guide my restless wheel on this broken ribbon that knows how I feel. Rust on the guardrails, ghosts in the trees, a radio crackles some half-lost melody. I chased the dawn like I chased my youth on this old lonesome highway that don't have the truth. Gas station coffee and cigarette smoke, tales from a drifter, stories half told. Miles behind me, more up ahead. It's a long time promise to outrun regret. Wind in my window, moon on my hood. If I turn back now, I don't know if I could. There's freedom and sorrow in the same old song on On this road I belong, where the lonely belong. Roll on, oh, the lonesome highway. Carry my sins where the shadows can't find me. Ain't no tomorrow, just white lines behind me. Roll on, oh, lonesome highway. Sometimes a diner sign flickers to life, brings me a moment to feel half alive. But the road keeps calling, she knows my name. She don't promise heaven, just more of the same. When my engine's quiet and my wheels are still, may they bury my bones past that far off hill, neath the dust and gravel where my stories lay. On this old lonesome highway I'll fade away. I was born by a winding stream, where the water whispered dreams. It taught me early not to stay, that nothing gold will ever stay. The rocks will cut, the banks will bend, but every twist has its own end. Some days I float, some days I fight, but I keep rolling toward the light. Like a river does, I keep on going, through the flood and through the drought. I don't know where I'm flowing, but I'll find my way somehow. You can dam me up with sorrow, but I'll break through come tomorrow, 'cause life rolls on like a river does. I've loved and lost along the shore, their voices echo evermore, carried in the current's hum with every setting of the sun. I've seen still pools where time stood still, and raging falls I couldn't will, but grace is found in letting go. The river teaches what it knows. Like a river does, I keep on going, through the flood and through the drought. I don't know where I'm flowing, but I'll find my way somehow. You can dam me up with sorrow, but I'll break through come tomorrow, 'cause life rolls on like a river does. I'll reach the ocean wide, where the sky and the soul collide, and every twist I cursed and blessed will lay my restless heart to rest. like a river does. I'll keep on going through the heartache and the doubt. I may never know the ending, but I'm better for the ride. You can stone me down with silence, but I'll sing against the hush, 'cause life rolls on like a river does.